guys, I'm checking out War and 2. What the hell? My name is Mitren! Okay. Vanny? Vanessa? Is that you? Anyways, hello guys, I'm checking out War and today I am playing Airplane 2. As for last time we played Airplane 1, even though it's just called Airplane. It's just called Airplane. Oh look, it's right there. Even though it's just called Airplane. Let's play. Alright, we're going to go with 4 people this time. I think last time we did like 3 people. President? It says president on the plane. Hey, this time we have more people. What the hell does she want? Is it because we're all noobs? No, Lancy is here. The Molly's fan. Who the hell is Molly's? You want me to search it up? D&D. You mean DVD? Who? What is wrong with her? Okay, last time I think we played 3 people. Oh God. Where's my? Oh, it says names. Alright, Melaga, Shakos. I'm right here. Yes, the window seat. Let's go. Alright, who the hell is? Oh, she's gone. D&D, Mellow fan. Okay, what? Rotten Smoothie. Guys. Hello, everyone. Calm down. Wait, Airplane 2. Wait, in Airplane 1, didn't the monster say it's not the last time you're going to see me? Is it coming back in this one? Uh-oh. My name is Kelly. I'll be your pilot in this flight. Alright, Pilot Kelly. Alright, hello. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. It's a jet. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to 991 Presidential Aircraft. You heard it right. The president would like to celebrate personality with you guys. In airplane last, you guys saved in Airplane last time. Yeah, that was me. We still don't understand. The captain lost control that time. Anyways, you have a safe day, and that is the reason we are here. I'm the one that saved the plane last time. What the hell is Lancy doing in the background? Alright, enough chatting. Chit chat. Alright. What the hell? Was that Snapchat? Okay, shut up. Please find the seat that has a golden label. Blah 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 blah. Okay, in the background, I'm going to put Twiddle Finger from Five Nights at Freddy's at FNF. Whoa! This is worse than last time. Raw, I don't waste a year. Did you just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. One thing, I don't know if the song in the background is copyrighted, so I'll just do that a little bit. Oh my God, I have informed you. A president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Hold on. I don't even hear anything. Okay, do that sound there. Oh, there we go. Already? What the hell is happening? Did anyone see that? Yeah, I did. Welcome to the presidential airplane. I'm in love with this song. And congratulations for what you have done. Done what? Your country is grateful. What did we do? Like save the plane? Yeah, that was me. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. 2025 playing Airplane 2. The next one will be Airplane 3 and Airplane 4, Airplane 5. Hey, what if I just... Yahoo! I'm stepping on the water. I'm stepping on the water. Nothing's gonna happen because gravity doesn't exist. Yeah, let's just bomb, bomb, beam, boom, bomb, bomb. But there is something you must know before that. What? Boom, bomb, beam. The president is very special. What do you mean about that? He gets mad very easy. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the plane. That's all. President should be almost ready. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Can you grab it? Uh-oh. I'm so sorry. I'm the one that did it. Look at this mess. I'm going to drink all of this. The president will be so mad. Sorry. Why am I so zesty? I'm wasted, yeah. We can better taste your fears. We can let it taste your thoughts. So we can find be one. The thing I ever wanted. The thing about it, I'm through. There's no need a bag of bargain. Cause all I need is you. Anyways, we just put that back. President is ready now. Please, okay, follow me to the dining room. I don't really say yes, but the better taste your fears. Hello, President. Is that Donald Trump? Why is he so red? Build that brick. Build a brick wall. What do you mean? Wait, what? Wait, hold on. I said in the last video, is the game listening to me? Because I said, what do you mean? And then it literally said, wait, what? That's weird. My name is Ronald. Oh, it's Ronald. Okay. The president of Roblox. Yes, that's. What's a Roblox? Yeah. Can I sit now? You must know! For our heroes! For this nation. Alright? We have delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. What's wrong? The food is not ready yet. Oh, what? I believe the chef messed up. Damn it. What? Throw that chef off the plane. Oh God, what's the? We will take care of him, Mr. President. Can I say next one? Melga, you look like the great chef. Melga? Who's Melga? This dude right here? Oh no, Melga. Who's Melga? Melga. Is it this girl right here? Yeah, I think that's her because she has a nickname. Hold on. Yeah, she is. Yeah, that is her. I want her to die because she has Robux. And she needs to get... wait, I also have Robux. Whatever, it's only one item. Is that salad? What kind of salad is that? Wait, that salad is way too round. Supat. Tunggang the one time ding it, toys in the trash can, but be quick. Are you ready? You know what I need to say? Wait, hold on. Die! Die! She's just going to stare at me and say, oh my God, I was right! Nobody else has Robux in this game. Malaga is taking too long. Take him out. You mean take her out. What the hell? Anyways. You may take a seat. Soupy! Okay, I'm right next to the president. Hello, president. After all, I'm wasting years. We can better taste your fears. We can little taste your blood. So we can find be one. The thing I ever wanted. Enjoy! You're the thing I ever wanted. Just to say goodbye, I'm through. There's no need to beg or bargain, cause all I need is you. Let me shut up because I'm thinking it's... What the hell is my dude doing? We hope you enjoyed the Supra. The president had to leave early. Please follow the path to the computer room. Alright? Welcome to the computer room. I can just read it off his bubble. We use this room to protect any cybernetic. What? The president is waiting in the presidential suite. In order to protect the president, we create. I need to burp right now. I need to burp so bad. Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck. It's yellow. There, yellow. No, yellow. There, we're done. Whoa, Gorefield. Meet with the president in the next room. President, bro, stop jumping on the president, man. Oh yeah, the time I'm recording this, it's 9. Okay, the time I'm recording this is right now 9 2 a.m. Huh? I have to get everything ready. I see you have papers. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, I'll let you sleep in my presidential room. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? I found them already. Where the hell were they? Pilot room. Wait. Oh, they were right behind here. Wow. Okay, let's open the door. What's so special about this? Because there's a TV, 3 little monkeys, 1 little monkey jumping on a bed with a PC head. He never fell or bumped his head. Dino Shop King Ronald kicked him off the plane. These two wants to get out. Hi. Hi. Bye. Bye. Hi. my mom's listening to Michael Jackson right now. Guys, guys, the curtain. Oh, it's him again. Wait, is it? Wait, it's him again. Isn't it weird that I noticed him in Airplane 1 and I noticed him again? Whoa. Oh no, it's the monster. Look what I'm going to type. Scary. Scary, oh god. Fire! We need to run. Oh my god! Jump over these things. I don't want to look bad. I don't want to look back. Where are we supposed to go? Boom. Let me just do some parkour. Why not? Hobby. So scary. I know how scary is type. Scary. So scary. I thought that on purpose because that's probably a kid right now. Are we safe now? I just came here on purpose. I don't know what to do. I think we are, yeah. Oh, the floor! Get on something high quick. What the? How did I know that? I jumped on the. Oh god, we're going to die. No! Did I die? I went a burger. The fire is gone. What is happening? I think we're having a bad dream. Oh god, my game's lagging so bad. I'm probably going to get kicked out. Oh, the phone. The phone is ringing. What the hell are you doing? It's random paper that says do. Hello, who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much through the plane. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is just lock. Give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that, but be careful. The monster might still be around. Wait, isn't it weird that she tried to open the pilot door, but the monster was right next to the pilot, right next to the pilot's room? You will not escape this time. What the hell? Oh god, what the hell? Oh no. The Lipton cat you. The Lipton cat. Oh god. Oh, they all went over here. Oh god. I ran them back. Oh god, he can go through walls. Oh god. Ah, damn it. Oh my god. I think we're safe here. Oh my god, I don't think so. Okay. No. I almost died, guys. But I'm still alive. Alright. I did not revive myself. Because if I revive myself, my health wouldn't be this low. Great. Everyone is here. Everyone? It's only Zebulun and me. What is going on? I need a medkit. We saw the monster again. He's painful. Oh god, this is I mean, it's better. Um, it didn't follow you here, did it? No, it didn't because I went somewhere else. I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is I'm not just a pilot. You're the monster? Huh? I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Why didn't you tell us by the beginning? He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was also always so obsessed with planes, in a scary way. I mean about that. He liked to read news about plane crash. Right? What else? So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people. He still blames you for his death. What did I do? Now that you know about the story about the monster, you must know that I am the monster. That he can take any shape. What does that mean? Can you give me your health? He could be any agent or the president, but I'm not sure. Take this gun. Gimme. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the gun to me. Give me the gun to me. Give me the gun to me. You only have one chance. You have the gun to discover him and kill him. Who's taking the shot? Oh god. Oh god. Me. Me. I will do it. I thought you were supposed to type in the chat. I will do it. Alright. Good luck, you guys. Good luck, guys. Oh, there's a medkit right here. Outside. Outside. Doing nothing. Don't. There you are. We've been looking for you. Don't. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. What? Wait! Put that gun down. What are you doing? Dun, 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 dun. We know about the plan to kill us. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We know one of you is the monster. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. You are making a huge mistake. Dun, 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 dun. We are not the monster. Dun, 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 says the monster. Dun, 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 na, 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 na. I don't trust you. Dun, 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 dun. Shoot the president. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, is that the sheriff gun from Murder Mystery 2? I shoot. Please, I'm fingers crossed. Like I said, you made a huge mistake. Oh, you were the monster, weren't you? The girl in the back just jumping. Oh God. Oh God, we're going to the bad ending. What did? It's funny how you keep calling me monster. But look what you have done. Whatever, it's the same thing. All of you are the real monsters. Nah, I can't get done. Oh God. What do you mean about souls? Why is the plane so red? Yep. We got bad ending, didn't we? The end. Oh, that's all. Poncho Kings. Ooh, okay. Alright, guys. guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like. I'll see you in the next video. I think Airplane 2 was much more longer than Airplane 1. But yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!